Hey fellow backyard bowyers, Nick here. The entries for this bow have been closed, and today I'm going to be announcing the winner. So I went ahead and selected one name from everyone who submitted their name and an inspirational quote. I really had fun looking through everything and seeing all of the quotes and verses and inspirational sayings and poems and small stories that were sent. I really enjoyed getting to know you guys a little better and getting to know what inspires you. So congratulations to Robert from Colorado. You are the winner of this bow. So I'm going to be sending this bow to you. And Robert's quote was from Willie Nelson. And it is, when you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start to get positive results. And there's some really good quotes. I'll put some of them in the descriptions below. And for everyone who's supporting the channel through my books, Patreon, and through purchasing shirts and other merchandise through Teespring, thank you so much. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.